Oh, it's pretty windy and cold down here. I gotta bend over to be able to see the lens of the camera. This here is an ant mound, and in the bucket here are walnut husks, or somebody told me they're hulls. Well, I don't know if I can break the habit of calling them husks. I'm just going to dig a little shallow trench in this ant mound right on the surface. We don't want to get too deep and disturb their nest. We just want to have the use of the potassium and the phosphate in their tailings for our compost next year. And we're going to be mixing in these walnuts, hulls or husks, and that's going to add the element of iodine plus whatever else might be in them, which probably there's a lot. Different elements, minerals, whatever. Something that the fascists of agribusiness, the scientists, working for the fascists of agribusiness, know nothing about. All they really want to know about is corn and beans to feed their fascist profits. Fascists at the universities, the fascists that own the factories that make the products from the soybeans and the corn, they're all fascists. They don't care what elements are in black walnut hulls. No. But the black walnut hulls do have iodine, and that's an important element here in the Great Lakes region, as there is a shortage of iodine in the soil. So what I'm going to do is, next spring when I make my spring compost, I'm going to dig that little mound up. I'm going to add it to my compost.